Hi, I'm Paul from H&R Consultants. I'm here today at Birds Hill, Fushimi. And I'd like to introduce you to room 301. Come follow me, let's take a look. I really like the living room in this property. But before I get there, I want to point out some of the few highlights of this property, such as lots of storage space. And a nice bright bathroom. A spacious living room such as this in central Nagoya is actually quite rare and quite fine, and also available at a reasonable price. Please check out japanhomesearch.com for the actual rent. And voila! A very modern island-style kitchen. If I had kitchens like this, I probably want to open my own cooking class. This property was actually renovated in 2011, very modern. If you're interested in Birds Hill, Fushimi, come visit us at japanhomesearch.com. I'm Paul from H&R Consultants. See you again soon!